نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة صدق الله العلي العظيم. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teacher and speakers and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to share my thought upon the subject. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a role model for everyone. My dear audience, the life of the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a role model for every person of this world who believes in Allah and the day of judgment. The world has seen a lot of scholars, philosophers and preachers, but none was as great as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah sent his messengers in every period of history to guide the humanity. The world had been waiting for the last prophet for centuries. This long wait was ended with the prophethood of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was sent as the last prophet of Allah Almighty. His Sharia was regarded as the last message of Allah and previous Sharias were abolished. His guidance was declared sufficient for all till the end of this world. My lovely audience, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born and died in the month of Rabiul Awwal. He is an embodiment of mercy for all mankind. All the prophets guided the humans, but Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought a revelation in the lives of the people. This revelation is exemplary in the history of mankind. Our love for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam involves not only the devotion and passion for him, but to follow his deeds also. There is no option left for us but to follow his teachings. The Quran and Sunnah are the basis of our religion. The holy lifestyle of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam guides us in our individual and collective life. He says that Muslims should have good behavior with others. They should have good characters also. Allah has ordered that we have to obey the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is said in the Holy Quran that the people who believes in Allah, they should obey the Prophet as well. It means that the obedience of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the obedience of Allah Almighty. My dear audience, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah Almighty. His prophethood is sufficient for all humanity up to the end of this world. No one will be blessed with such prophethood and no previous prophet will be followed. A person who accepts Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam a prophet but not the last one, it is nothing but a refusal. The Quran has made it clear that the prophethood was started with Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and was ended with the holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.